Hello friends, in this tutorial I'll be guiding you the easy way you can get the boot menu option. So directly you can get the option whether you want to boot from a hard disk or a bootable drive. So at first you have to insert your bootable drive, DVD or a pen drive. It's a bootable pen drive, or if you have a DVD you can insert into your PC. Now press the power button to start the PC. As soon as you press the power button, continuously tap the escape key like this. Keep on tapping. Okay guys, escape key did not give you the direct boot option. So what you guys gonna do, just restart your PC again. And this time you're gonna tap F12. So continuously tap F12 key. And finally, this is what you get. It will show you the preparing for a boot device, and then after you can release the F12 key, and finally you get this. Now you can directly boot. You can see this is my pen drive. It's a HP pen drive, and you obviously you can notice your bootable device. It's a HP. My bootable device is a bootable pen drive. Now you can directly boot from here. So escape key and F12 key is very common to enter directly into the boot menu. You don't have to go to the BIOS, and you don't have to make changes in the BIOS. You don't have to make changes in the boot order in a BIOS. Directly you will have an option to boot from several devices. So you can directly boot from the HP now. It's directly boot from a bootable drive. So HP pen drive and directly boot from pen drive. So try escape key. If it do not work, you can try the F12 key. So different brand, different laptop has a different function key. So this is a Dell laptop, and if you are using a desktop, for most of the desktop escape key works. You have to continuously tap the escape key, and for most of the laptop F12 key work. Even escape key works for some of the laptop. So if you want to cancel, here's the escape to cancel. Press the escape key to cancel. Okay guys, you can give one look at this chart. It doesn't matter whether you use a desktop or a laptop. So you can see if you are using a brand, it's a brand name, and it's a key you got to press. So if you're using NEC, it's a brand, you have to press the F5 key to enter the BIOS. To enter the boot menu. So similarly, if you're using some other brand, is you can say it's a brand. If you're using a laptop or a desktop of this brand, you can press F8 key, and if you're using this brand, you can try F12 key and escape key. It doesn't matter whether you're using a laptop or a desktop. For most of the desktop, escape key works. So remember, the most common key is escape key and F12 key. So most common for the desktop is the escape key. Even sometime other key like F8 key or F12 key works. For most common key for the laptop is F12 key. Even sometime escape key works. So along with the common key, here are some of the specific key you can try along with the brand. You can try it for the desktop. Even you can try it for the laptop. So you just have to restart your PC couple of times, whether you are using a desktop or the laptop, and you can try these different key depending upon the brand. You can pause the video and you can even make a note of it. So these keys are very helpful. It saves you lots of time. You can directly use this key to enter the boot menu and directly boot your PC from a hard disk, or if you want to boot from a bootable pen drive. Along with all these, okay guys, one thing I would like to tell you, you can see here's the list of key. If you're using eSonic, it's a escape key. For the desktop, it's if you're using different other brands, you can see if you're using this brand, you have to press this key. You have to try this key. Maybe sometime for some brand, maybe for some model F12 work, maybe for some desktop F8 key work. So you have to try. So this key will help you enter directly into the boot menu. And you can directly choose the boot option, whether you want to boot from a DVD pen drive or a hard disk. So one thing I would like to tell you, sometime you're gonna see function key has a two different option. You can see it's the volume symbol over here. So when you press this, you might increase or decrease the volume sometime. So sometime you may have to tap it with a function key. So you have to tap the function key and then you have to press the this one. So when you tap this Fn in your keyboard and you tap this, it will work as a F2. It will work as a F3. If you directly only press this one, it may increase or decrease the volume sometime. So it happens with some laptop. So you can try directly pressing. If it does not work, you can tap function key and you can press it for F12, for F3, for F5 or for F6, even escape. If it has a two different symbol, even you can try with the escape. So function key only works for the function key, not doesn't work for the escape. You can press the escape directly. It's a F5, F8, whatever you want to press, you can do. So guys, I hope this tutorial was knowledgeable and helpful. You got a lots of idea about the boot menu, how you enter into the boot menu, easy way you can boot your device. It decreases your lots of burden. I hope you like. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another greatest stuff. Have a good day.